Welcome back to Motor Pulse, the channel where real performance meets real reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most aggressive machines BMW has ever created, the 2025 BMW M4. If you're someone who loves raw power, precision engineering, and that signature M division adrenaline, then this review is going to tell you exactly why the new M4 continues to dominate the performance coupe world. Let's get straight into what this car truly offers. The 2025 BMW M4 arrives with an updated design philosophy that sharpens everything we already knew about the car. It maintains its bold stance, but this year, BMW has given it more refined aerodynamics, improved cooling, and styling tweaks that make it even more performance-oriented. The front fascia is where the aggression begins. The kidney grills are still large, but they're now cleaner, more sculpted, and integrated better into the bumper's airflow channels. The sharper LED headlights sit like focused eyes, giving the coupe a determined expression that matches its capability on the road. The hood creases add muscles, and the wider fenders emphasize its athletic posture. Move around to the sides and you'll notice how the proportions feel tighter and more performance-driven. The shoulder line flows smoothly, the side mirrors are wind tunnel optimized, and the flared wheel arches house newly designed lightweight alloy wheels wrapped with performance tires that provide better grip and heat resistance. The lowered stance, carbon fiber roof, and high-gloss black detailing give the M4 the perfect blend of elegance and motorsport energy. At the rear, the design becomes even more aggressive. Quad exhaust tips, a sport diffuser, sharper taillights, and redesigned airflow cutouts create an athletic but sophisticated finish. BMW has definitely focused on elevating its visual drama without compromising aerodynamic efficiency. The 2025 M4 looks fast even while standing still, and that's exactly what enthusiasts expect from an M car. But looks are just the beginning. Under the hood sits BMW's masterful 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. This engine continues to be the heart and soul of the M division lineup, and for 2025, it receives upgraded turbo response and cooling enhancements. Power delivery feels even more immediate, pushing out a thrilling surge of torque from low RPMs. The acceleration is intense, launching the M4 from zero to highway speed with a force that pins you to the seat. The throttle response has been sharpened, making every input feel direct and rewarding. The transmission is the familiar 8-speed M Steptronic automatic, but BMW has refined the shift patterns for faster, smoother transitions. Whether you're cruising or hammering down a straight, the gearbox knows exactly what you need. Downshifts crack with sharp enthusiasm, and upshifts hit with satisfying precision. The combination of the engine and transmission makes the 2025 M4 feel alive, always ready, always alert, always pushing you to drive harder. Handling has always been the M4's territory, and this year's model continues to evolve. The steering feels more connected, with better weight distribution and more road feedback. The adaptive suspension setup has been tuned to deliver maximum stability without compromising everyday usability. In corners, the M4 feels planted, balanced, and confident. You can push it deep into turns and rely on the rear-wheel drive or available X-Drive all-wheel drive system to pull you through with insane traction. It's the kind of performance that inspires trust and rewards skill. Braking performance has also been improved. The new M compound brakes deliver stronger bite and better heat endurance, giving drivers more confidence during hard driving sessions. Whether on tight roads or on open highways, the 2025 M4 feels like it's built for serious performance without ever becoming unmanageable. Inside the cabin, BMW blends luxury with racing-inspired features. The interior layout is driver-focused, with high-resolution digital displays, refined materials, and M-specific graphics that make you feel like you're in a performance cockpit. The seats are supportive, sculpted, and designed for spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. The steering wheel is trimmed in high-quality leather with M-stitching and responsive paddle shifters that make manual control satisfying. The infotainment system uses BMW's latest interface with a curved display seamlessly integrated into the dash. The system is fast, intuitive, and loaded with features like wireless smartphone connectivity, performance data, navigation, and customizable driving modes. Ambient lighting, carbon fiber trims, brushed metal accents, and premium sound options enhance the feel of modern luxury inside a performance machine. Rear seat space remains more symbolic than practical, but for a performance coupe, it's acceptable. The boot space is usable for weekend bags or daily needs, giving the M4 a mix of practicality alongside its aggressive character. The 2025 BMW M4 isn't just about power or style, it's about balance. It gives drivers the thrill of a high-performance engine, the precision of motorsport-grade handling, and the comfort of a luxury interior. It's a car that satisfies daily driving while still delivering track-worthy performance when asked. BMW has managed to refine the M4 without losing its raw personality, making it one of the most complete sports coupes available today. If you're a performance enthusiast who wants a car that looks incredible, drives like a beast, and still offers a refined cabin, the 2025 M4 confidently checks every box. BMW has once again proven why the M series remains at the top of the performance world.